It's been quite a long time since our last update on the Mercedes Pagoda, but we've made quite a lot of progress in that time as well. So I don't know the last time you saw it. I think maybe was it in paint. Anyway, it's all now finished being assembled with paint. All the doors and boot are on. The bonnet is still yet to come down from storage upstairs. It is painted, but we're not putting it on yet until the engine's in. Engine bay wise, wiring loom is all in. That's all brand new. So steering and suspension components have been renovated and all bushes and things like that replaced. Gearbox is in position, ready to go back in, and that's all been cleaned and sorted out and new seals. The engine isn't going in yet. That's in the engine room at the moment because we're awaiting the injection pump to come back from being refurbished. As soon as that pump's ready, engine will go in, bonnet can go on, and then we're pretty much down to putting the screens in, some bits of stuff on the doors, that sort of thing. But the running gear is on, although the wheels aren't on it at the moment. And interior-wise, we have retrimmed the entire interior in-house. So all these carpets, we made all these carpets. The seats are being done at the moment. They won't be long before they're done. We've got a little bit of bright work to go on the tops of the doors and the door cards and things to go on like that. We are still waiting for some parts to turn up. We've had to replace a lot of components on this car. It was in really, really bad shape. And I do want to come around the back and have a look at the back. The rear lights and that are on the side. And it's got new chrome on. But it's coming along really nicely. So yeah, waiting for a few parts. Next update, it should be looking, well, pretty much there, I should say.